Hey there, I'm Jeanne Smith reporting directly from inside your CSL newsletter. It's summertime and we've got some super cool activities to help you beat the summer heat in August. Each Sunday you can chill out at our meditation service at 10 a.m. just before our lively celebration service at 10:30. Each Wednesday, you'll get a chance for a midweek power up in our Empower Hour with Reverend Heidi and Antonio Edwards. This month of August, we are taking a trip down the yellow brick road to experience all of the spiritual nuggets to be found in the Wizard of Oz. And if you've got a brain, you'll be there. Now there's something else wonderful happening and powerful happening here on Saturday, August the 4th. We are hosting a teen meditation workshop and lunch, all free, just in time for our teenagers to start back to school and to combat some of the stress that they'll experience there. So please pass along the word. We'd love to have you become a member of CSL Fort Lauderdale. Now's your chance, and here's how. CSL 101 membership class starts on Sunday, August the 5th, and finishes up on Monday, August the 6th in the evening. But wait, there's more. Here's the monthly lineup. Woman to Woman, CSL's new women's gathering that takes place on the last Monday night of each month. Abraham Hicks on Monday and Friday nights. Gay Spirit Men's Group each Wednesday night. Smart Recovery on Wednesday evening. Reiki on Friday nights, and Forever Young on the last Sunday of the month. Well, it's time for me to jump out of this newsletter and back into my life. So now it's your turn. Just under my feet, you can read about all the details of what's going on here at CSL in August. So, see you soon, CSLers. August is just around the corner.